BankNifty is India's most exciting index, made up of big banks like HDFC Bank, SBI, and ICICI. Why do traders love it? One word: action. It has high liquidity, strong volatility, and daily trading opportunities in both calls and puts. And here's the best part. AI Ant is built to understand Bank Nifty's unique rhythm and give you precise signals. Before trading, let's lock in a few key terms. 1 point is equal to the smallest price move. Bank Nifty options are traded in lots, and each lot is equal to 35 units. Every month end or monthly expiry, options expire. That's why it's called expiry day. And remember, in intraday trading, you always exit before 3:10 p.m. Finally, calls go up, puts go down. That's all you need to know for now.
Time to set up your chart. Step 1. Open TradingView. Type BankNifty and select NSE. Step 2. Switch to the 30-minute time frame. This is crucial. Why? Because AI ANT is optimized for 30 minutes, filtering out noise and giving reliable signals. Now, go to Indicators, Invite Only, search Trail Genius, and add it. Boom! AI ANT is now live on your chart.